Hi guys, happy Wednesday! So in today's video, I've actually just received my supplement box. I probably order a box once every few months because that's how long things actually last me for. And I wanted to show you guys my supplements and like my daily supplements, just basically everything that I take. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about how to stay motivated during lockdown, because this is actually a topic I've been asked so much on my Instagram, so I wanted to make a video for you guys to share how I'm dealing with lockdown and keeping fit and healthy. First up, we have Impact Whey Protein in chocolate orange flavour. I have got bags and bags of this. It's always my go-to, and so far I haven't got bored of it yet. It really does taste like Terry's chocolate orange to me. And so this is my all-time favourite protein. I do take protein when I'm a bit low on my daily intake. This helps to contribute to the building and maintenance of muscles. It also contains glutamine and essential amino acids, which helps to build and repair new muscle. So I normally have a scoop of this a day, or maybe once every 2 days. And guys, if you haven't tried the chocolate orange flavour and you like chocolate orange, definitely recommend trying. So I had to get 2 bags of this. Next thing I have is creatine monohydrate. So I always add this into my water during my workout. Literally no reason why. I just like having it in the morning, so I know I've had my supplements, and I just normally work out in the morning. Creatine is actually one of my favorite supplements, and it helps the body to produce energy quickly, which can really help with your power and strength during workouts and can help boost your overall performance. I also got a top up of daily vitamins. There's actually 180 tablets in here, and I take 1 of these a day. Most of us don't get enough multivitamins and minerals in our diet, so this can really help with our overall health. Of course, I got a little freebie of cleansing hand gel, which is super useful, and a box of peanut butter. This isn't a supplement, but it is something I have been so obsessed with lately, so I had to order another one because I've run out already. A big tub of crunchy peanut butter. They've even changed the packaging, which looks really cool, and I love how they're not using any palm oil. I have peanut butter on toast every single day. Okay, so these are the other 2 that I take. This is vitamin D3 and essential omega-3. Fish oil is so good for you. I don't eat any fish in my diet. I'm just not a really big fish fan. I actually wish I was, but... So I take 3 tablets a day. I should be having one morning, afternoon, and nighttime, but I just tend to have it all in one go at nighttime. This can really help with your overall well-being and also help with joints. So next up, we have vitamin D3. Now, if you live in the UK like myself, or any other cold country that doesn't get a lot of sun, you will probably be missing out on a lot of D3. So this can really help contribute to the muscle function, immune function, also calcium levels, and so much more. Now, some of them you don't need. They are not essential. Like my supplements, I do not rely on these in my diet. So that is my haul. Now I wanted to talk to you guys about staying motivated during lockdown. Like I said, I've got so many messages about this, and so I really wanted to just do a sit down video and talk to you guys like properly about just how I'm particularly staying motivated, and just see if it can help you guys too. So the first recommendation I have for you guys is have a workout plan, or know which workout video you're going to be watching, just so you're not going into the day just drifting and not really knowing what you're doing. And it's just so much more motivating when you do feel prepared for your workout. Following on from this, make sure you find something that you actually enjoy. I personally could not be doing something every single day or most days if I didn't enjoy it. I think it's such a struggle for anybody to do anything they really don't want to do. So if you're in that position, have a look around, look at different workout videos, try different things and different exercises to find what you actually enjoy, and you'll find that it's so much easier to actually work out and exercise and just get moving if you know that you're going to enjoy it. And number 3 is to hold yourself accountable. Put it in your diary. Ask a friend to do a workout with you. If you ask a friend, you guys can hold yourselves accountable because you have told each other you will do this workout. And also, it's a lot more enjoyable if you have a friend doing it with you. Just have them on Zoom call next to you. It can make it a lot more enjoyable and a lot more motivating for you guys too. My next recommendation is to set yourself a goal of what you'd like to achieve before lockdown ends. Like, some of us don't even know when lockdown may end, but just to have a goal inside of what you would like to work towards, it would give you more of a reason to get up and to do your workout, because you have that goal there and you are working towards something. So the next thing is to maybe consider working out in the morning. This is something that I really like to do because I like to get up, I like to get my workout done and out of the way, and it's also a way of making you feel so good and refreshed for the day. If you are working or you're not working, just waiting throughout the whole day to do it in the evening, you might just get tired and kind of use that as an excuse not to work out. So you don't want to give any excuses, get it done in the morning, and then you have the rest of the day to enjoy to yourself. So number 6, a trick that actually works for me is that if I'm not feeling like I want to work out, we all have these days when we don't feel motivated and we don't want to do anything, we just want to lay in bed all day, especially during lockdown. Just telling yourself to get up and just do something, just get moving, anything. Put your gym gear on, just get downstairs or in your garden or wherever you may be working out. Just do something, because when you actually get going, you may feel more in the mood for it, and it's such a better feeling of actually doing something rather than just skipping a workout and not doing anything at all. So my last recommendation to you guys is don't be too harsh on yourself. At the end of the day, we are in a pandemic. Things are really hard. Like, mental health has gone through the roof. I have even personally felt my mental health go downhill just being stuck indoors all day, and I can imagine so many other people are feeling exactly the same. Have the discipline of working out, but also take it easy and don't be too harsh on yourself. Just remember how much happier and positive and more energized you will feel for the day after you have worked out, and use that as your motivation. So guys, those are the things that I like to do when I'm just not in the mood to work out, and how I stay motivated. So I hope those pointers help you a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon.